Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Ella Berries Africa. In our today's class, we are going to be learning how to join this piece together. If you haven't watched the cutting tutorial, please do well to do so that you can understand what we are doing. So today's class is all about the joining of this back's weight gathered flare dress with a keyhole and also a bell sleeve. If this is what you want, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more interesting video. Please do stay to the end of the tutorial. It's actually a beginner friendly video. So without wasting much of our time, we are going to go ahead to the video. So guys, for the gathers on the both sides, there's the gathered flare. I just divided this section here that we cut out previously, into sections. You can divide it into a section of 6 parts, 3 parts, anyhow you want it, measuring 1 inch or 2 inch, depending on how you want it. So I'm going to split it open right now, like so. Of course, this is the hip area, this is the side part, while this one is moving towards the center. So I just labeled that so we don't get confused. So I'm going to slit it open like so. So I'm going to so depending on how much fabric or how much flare you want, I already went ahead to fold my remaining fabric into 4 layers because I'm going to be cutting for both the both sides, you understand. So I'm going to splash this open like so. This will be here. So look at what I did, guys. So I just went ahead and spread it out like so, and then I joined this point here like so in order to slant it out so that in the end all of them will be of equal length. So I'll go ahead now and use my scissors to cut it out. So guys, this is it for the flare. It's what we'll be using for the gathers. You just gather it and fix it for the both sides. So let's go ahead and notch the center parts. So next we are going to be cutting out the sleeve. For the sleeve, of course the sleeve is a bell sleeve. So you see the way I folded my fabric, and it's the net that we're using for the sleeve. So I just folded my fabric like so. Yeah. And while folding it, I measured, make sure it is about 10 inches. Just be sure it's up to 10 inches. Yeah, and then I'm going to get the length. The length of the sleeve is 20. The sleeve is 26. So I'll mark that. This is 26. Yeah, this is 26. I'll just add 1 inch. Yeah, I'll get the length. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'll mark up the length. Then I'll come down here and mark about 13, like so. Then I'll insert the elbow measurement, which is 11 divided by 2 plus 1 inch. 11 divided by 2, 11.5 divided by 2 is 5.5. I'm going to just add 1 inch to that, like so. Then I'll make my sleeve cuff. My sleeve cap, like so, very simple. And I'll join this to this part, the elbow, like so. You guys can see. I'll join it to the elbow. Then from that elbow here, I'll go ahead. I'll flay it out, like so. Make sure it's flayed out. I'll go ahead and cut this out. Hope you guys saw what I did. I'll cut it out. So I'll fold my fabric again to cut the other sleeve. Welcome back, guys. This is a sewing tutorial, just like I said earlier. These are the different parts. We are going to go ahead to turn our yoke. We already cut our lining for our yoke. We go ahead and turn our yoke like so, using this one here. We turn it. So we are only going to sew this part here, like so. This is the only part where we'll be sewing, just here, like so. Before sewing, we are going to make our rope that we're using to tie in front. We'll make the rope, fix it there before we sew this part up. We'll close this part up. And once we are done with that, we will go ahead to join the bodice. We'll start with the front. This is the front. Yeah, this is the front. We'll start by joining the center, like so. We join the mid center, like so. And then we'll go ahead to join this one, like so. Then I'll do the same thing for the back. I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, I'm done joining this piece together. The front piece together, as you can see. I'm done joining them together. I'm also going to I also wanted to join this part together. I also inserted my loop like so. Very simple. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that flap that you can see, that boxy like structure that you can see in front. I'll go ahead and cut it like so. I'll just trace this upper part of the front panel, just trace it down. Up to this point where the opening stopped. I'm also going to trace out the armhole like so, and then I'll just come down here by about 1 inch, and then I'll join it down to this place like so, and then I'll come in here by 1/2 inch and join it back just like so. Very simple. So I'll cut this out. This is what I'll be using for that flap. So I came down here by the width here is about 2.5 inch. So I'll place this on my fabric and cut it out. I'll also be cutting out the facing for the front. Let me cut it out at once. So for the facing for the front, I'll also trace this like so, and then I'll come down here by about 4 inch. Let's measure and see. Yes, exactly 4 inch or 5. Yeah, and I'm going to trace this one down like so, and then I'll make my joining like so. So this is about 5 inch. This part is about 5 inch, while this part here is about 4 inch, just like so. So I'm going to cut that out again and cut out my facing. I'll place it on my fabric. I'll cut it out on fold. It's going to be cut on fold. So I'll go ahead and cut this on off camera and turn it. So guys, I'm done joining all the pieces together. As you can see, I also fixed the sleeve and the yoke and even the backs. You can see I fixed the backs. You can see how it's looking so beautiful. So next I'll go ahead and fix in my eyelet from behind. I'll fix in my hand eyelet. I already made some holes for that. So when I'm done, I'll put it on the mannequin for you guys to see what it looks like. So guys, this is what it looks like in the end. Yeah, this is exactly what it looks like. This is the best sleeve and the back waistline, the keyhole. So if this is what you want, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more interesting videos. Most especially subscribe. That's the only way I can continue making more videos. So thank you guys for stopping by. See you in my next class. Bye.